Glitz, Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. It's here, so it says priority today. I ordered this on December 16th and it's now December 31st, but I do believe that was the post office, not Mr. Star. So look at this is sticking out, and I'm gonna have to blur this if it has my address. This tape is open, you can see. So, and I'm like, really? The money is sticking out? I'm like, well, no wonder someone tried to open it. So, I don't know. This is what it looks like when I first got it. I took pictures. But yeah, it definitely looks like someone tried to open it, maybe. I don't know. So, yeah, because this isn't even like all the way on. So, all right, let's see. So I got the mini and the, I think it's the mini and the premium box. So let's see what's in here. Let's see what the big fuss is about Mr. Star himself. So let's see what I got. And these are the winter mystery box. So, oh, this is like pulling out. That's like money paper. It's kind of cute. Okay, so try to open this. Okay, so this has money on it, money paper with Mr. Star. Okay, so there is a bunch of money paper in here, and then there's this one, and also this one. So there's this and this. So here we go. Is this a thumbnail? Should we do this as a thumbnail? Or should I see people always doing this as a thumbnail? So okay, so there's a lot of money paper in here. So like literally a whole roll. So that's cute. I would never approve of using this much paper in Glitz Glam box, but okay, I guess this is the invoice. Yeah, order date 12/16. Yeah, so this is the winter box, mini and premium. Okay, so let's get into it. So it's the 31st, so it's New Year's Eve today. So we'll do the mini box first. Oh, I have nothing to open this with. Oh shoot. In my beauty room. Okay, opening this. And I don't know. I've never ordered anything from Jeffree Star, so I've never worn anything from Jeffree Star, so I have no clue what I'm in store for. So let's open this up. So there's 3 products. I smell something. There's 3 products. Oh, okay. So, okay, the name on one of these is like, okay, so this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub. And okay, this is what I smell. It has a watermelon on it. Watermelon gum. So this is a lip scrub. So lip scrubs, you know, you scrub your lips if your lips are crusty, but you know, if they're supple like mine, you might not need it, but okay. This is good, like, if you wear a lot of matte lipsticks and stuff. Okay, so next thing is lip gloss. Nice packaging. So it's the gloss. So, and this is in the shade Beaded Glass. So let's take it out and see what it's all about. Put it in here. Oh gosh. Hold on. Okay, and this is in a rose gold container. It says 2 finishes: glitter, fantasy, and extreme shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Oh, this is right up my alley, actually. So it's like a, so you have this. It's like a pinky kind of lid. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Yeah, nice universal, nothing too crazy. Let's turn the lights. Should we turn the lights off so we can, hold on. Let's turn it off. Can you guys see better with, should I leave the lights on or off? We'll leave it on. Okay, so there we go. So that's pretty. And this is in the shade Beaded Glass. Okay, and the last thing is this, and the shade name is Jeffree. What the beep? If you can see. It says shake well before use. So let's see. I know this isn't the shade. I know damn well it's not a hot pink. Exactly. What the beep? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we'll do a giveaway. So we'll do a giveaway in this video. So let me know if you guys want to win this in the giveaway. But we'll see what's in the other one too. So yeah, so this is the mini, and it came with the 3 items. So it came with this scrub, this, well, it came with this, and this. So I don't know what is the retail on these. I'm gonna look up the retail value, but the mini box was $25. So let's open this up. So, okay, nice packaging. So, okay, so they gave, this was like a pink theme. So like pink, and like a champagne kind of color. So, and that's the gloss right there. So, okay, this was a nice box. I don't know about 3 items for $25, but I think his retail is very high. So, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, so this is the green one. Oh, I love this actually. Nice. I love the lime green. So this one's feels heavy. So let's see what all is in here. And this is, I think this is the $60 one. Shoot, I messed up the box. Okay, and let's see here. All right, let's open it. And this is all green themed. So you can see here, looks like a piece of clothing of some sort. Okay, so this is a hat, which we could probably put this with the giveaway. Yeah, so it's a hat. It says Jeffree Star, and then that kind of matches this here. Okay, kind of cute. So you get a hat and a makeup mystery box. I don't know what that's about. What is this? 4-piece drinking straw set and cleaning brush. Be iconic and classy with these custom green stainless steel straws. What the fuck? I mean, you get straws in a hat? I'm done. I thought you get makeup in here. Okay. So the next thing is another gloss. So this is pink. This is a pink one. The other one was like a champagne kind of color. Ooh. This looks so cute. Ooh, it's pink and gold. Oh wow, this actually looks really cute. So let's swatch this. I love pink stuff. Okay, so that one is like this. Oh, it's like a nudie pink. Okay. You know, not rocket science, but very cute. Okay, so that's cool. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It is pink if you layer it. So like, that'll be cute. Okay, and this is in the shade Candy Drip. So, okay, that's cute. So far, I like the gloss, but I mean, it's lip gloss. I mean, it's not, like I said, it's not rocket science. So this is Velour Liquid Lipstick. Okay, so shake well before use. Let's open this up. This is Velour Liquid Lipstick. Okay, this is a little pale, but I'm gonna actually swatch it because I've never had any of his lipsticks, and I'm not using that hot pink one. So let's see. You guys can see here. Oh, okay, that's nice. A little light for me. But if you use a lip liner, if I use a lip liner, I might be able to get away with it. Yeah, but this is extremely pale. And this is in the shade Can't Relate. That's funny. Okay, can't relate. That's funny. And then I have here, this is the last thing in the box. So this is, it's very heavy. Let's see what's in here. So this is the infamous conspiracy palette. I was hoping to get the, what's the red one? Or that purple one. That was actually pretty. So this is the infamous conspiracy palette. I literally have never owned anything from Jeffree Star, so we'll swatch it. And I mean, come on, packaging. Come on, packaging. Okay. I don't know what the money paper, tissue paper had to do with anything, but okay. Really? There's a suitcase on it. It's a suitcase. This is cute, actually. Okay, so these colors are so weird. No shade, but no smell. Okay, so it had this. Has a mirror, obvi. What is the rhyme or reason with these colors? I don't get it. I don't know. But, I mean, I actually don't really like this. Like, if I look at this, for me, there's nothing I would be like, oh my God. Except maybe the silver. What's the silver called? Diet Cola. I mean, it's cool, but I don't know that I would use these colors. I mean, the browns, obviously you can't go wrong with a brown, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch this, because I might need to give this away. Because I'm like, what is the rhyme or reason with these colors? I don't know. Am I missing something? Okay, so there's neons in the middle, nudes on the bottom, on the top, neon in the middle, and like a burgundy and y'all, I'm really stumped. I don't know. I don't know. All right, well, these are the I was gonna swatch this, but I'm like, this is not really my scene. But I think it's cool that you get a, you know, a palette, and an infamous one at that. I do like Black Shadow, but I'm just like, because usually when I look at a palette, I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to swatch one of these colors, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do a giveaway in this video. What you're gonna do is you have to be subscribed to my channel, obviously, and you have to leave a comment down below. What do you think of this mystery box? You know, what was your favorite item? And give this video a thumbs up. Happy New Year, everyone. Let me know what you guys think. So this was $60. So, I mean, you got the palette and 2 lipsticks. Because to me, a hat and some straws, I don't know what that's all about. But, you know, yeah, I don't know. Like a hat and some straws. I don't really count these as makeup items. Yeah, and it was $60. So to me, it's just things I would possibly use. The palette. That palette, the color story is not my scene, but you know, to each their own. The glosses, I really liked the gloss. Yeah, like I love the pink. I love the champagne. Definitely, like you can for sure get use out of that. Even this nude lipstick, like you could get use out of that. This, no. And this, I know damn well. Like, I mean, this is something you wear like for like every once in a while, not like every day. For me anyway, like I wouldn't wear that every day. The hat, I mean, the hat is decent. The hat is decent, but the straws, I'm like, what am I going to do with straws? I mean, you can obviously use straws, but this is not a makeup item. So that's why I'm really confused. Like when people put on the thumbnail, I'm confused. I actually am confused. So I don't know that was worth 60 bucks. I guess because of the palette. I don't know. Y'all leave a comment down below. Y'all leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm really stumped, you know, SMH shaking my head or scratching my head, whatever it is. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. So for both of them, it was like over $100. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about this palette. Like, there's no color that I'm just like, oh my God, this color's amazing. Maybe it's because I didn't swatch them. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. All right, so we're having a giveaway in this video. And guys, check out my mystery makeup box series. I'm not going to edit this. I'm literally just going to post it because it's New Year's Eve and I want to eat bruschetta and drink wine and chill and take a bubble bath and do a pedicure. So I'll post this because I know everyone was waiting to see what I got in the mystery box. For my mystery box series. So I will post this. You guys have a happy new year. Check out my Glitz Glam box unboxing. Make sure you enter this giveaway. Make sure you enter all my other giveaways that are going on. Congrats to all the giveaway winners, all the active giveaway winners. And yeah, guys, till the next video. Oh, I have a new mystery box coming too. Bye.